Hi guys, we're getting ready for school. But first, we need to pack our lunchbox. Let's see what we have in the refrigerator. What do we have here? It's a monster truck school bus. That's not what we're looking for. Let's see what else we have. It's Gecko from the PJ Masks. We can't pack our lunchbox with that. Let's keep looking. Here's an LL surprise doll. What's her name? Let us know in the comments. And what's this doing here? It's Chase from the Paw Patrol in his blue police cruiser. Do you guys see anything we can pack in our lunchbox? Yeah, we can pack these things back here. Now let's pack our lunchbox. What's this? It's almond milk. We also have a chocolate chip cookie. And here's some yellow cheese. And what's this? It's square and orange. What could it be? Let us know in the comments. We also have a banana, an apple, and a sandwich. Let's see what kind of sandwich it is. It's a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Whoa! What do we have here? It's building blocks. This is awesome! I wonder what we can build with these blocks. Let's put them together and find out. Look who we have here. It's Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. What did we build? It's a boat! Cool! And we'll put Mickey and Minnie in the boat.
Funnest toys.
Oh my gosh, so many coins. We have orange, purple, yellow. 1, 2, 3. Small, medium, large. Now, let's swipe our card. What do we have here? It's shaped so we can put in our cookie jar. We have a pink heart, purple triangle, a green star, and a blue square. Whoa! It's a big piece of cake. Squishy cake. Let's feed this cake to our frog friend. Cool! We have building blocks. What do you think we can build with these blocks? Let's find out. It's Harold Helicopter from Thomas Train.
Fun as toys.
Can you guys guess what we're making in this video? We're making pizza. Let's start by putting our slices together. Cool! We have our pizza pie. Now, we need our ingredients. Let's see what's in our green cup. It's black olives. Let's see what's in our purple cup. It's pepperoni slices. What do you guys think is in our blue cup? It's pineapple. Here's our red cup. Let's see what's in there. It's green broccoli. So yummy. Now here's our orange cup. It's purple onion. And here's our last ingredient in our yellow cup. It's red tomatoes. Our pizza looks so yummy. Now let's cut it. Let's put a slice in our oven. What do we have here? It's building blocks. What do you think we can build with these blocks? Let's put them together and find out. It's Thomas' train. Choo choo. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo.
Fun as toys.